Once upon a time, there was a system administrator named John who implemented Hardware Sentry to monitor his IT infrastructure. At that time, he used Hardware Sentry to manage and maintain the small data center of his organization. He was happy with the monitoring solution. But as his data center evolved, new needs emerged, and John was wishing for new features to be brought to Hardware Sentry to make the management of his infrastructure a lot easier. No one is ever too old to believe in the magic of Christmas. When John woke up on Christmas morning, he found a new version of Hardware Sentry under the tree. This was a touching scene in the true spirit of Christmas. John was very moved. He could not wait long and installed his new version of Hardware Sentry to play with the new features. His first move was to configure several systems sharing the same configuration in a single step-by-step procedure. He only had to customize the system's display names to make them quickly identifiable in his console. This new multiple host monitoring feature could save him precious time and help easily and accurately locate and identify faulty devices. John hoped for the best. Wow! Hey, it actually worked! There was no time to lose, so John quickly moved on to the next new feature, the self-monitoring report. The hardware report displayed the most valuable information about Hardware Sentry discovery, process, and performance status. The status of the discovery of all hardware components. The number of objects discovered. The status of the connection to the monitored device. The number of commands successfully executed, and many other performance metrics about the monitoring. That's another great feature to early detect hardware discovery issues. The best for last. John heard that commands could be run from the TrueSight agent query tool to perform various actions. Enable debug. Know which KMs are loaded. Generate host-specific reports, test protocols, and many more. John was so thrilled as he realized that Hardware Sentry 10 was the most perfect gift he could dream of. Thank you, Santa. And this is how John worked happily ever after with Hardware Sentry 10 and TrueSight.